I want to see what this plane is. That's friggin' vintage, man. What is it? I can't tell. Oh, man. Yes, sir. That's got to be an older jet. Pretty loud for a jet on landing, huh? Yeah, it looks like it's an Airbus A330. Oh, KLM, yeah. Royal Dutch Airways. I miss those MD-11s, you know. They were, by the end, they were rare, you know, and then they were common through the skies, and before that they were known as DC-10s. They're made by McDonnell Douglas. Yep, the heyday of airliners. Yeah, late afternoon, that's when most of these big-ass planes come in there. That's in Air Canada, probably. Yeah. Yeah, I like that new livery. Looking at landing for the other runway. WestJet 737. Still haven't seen that 787 somebody told me about there. One of my subscribers. I always thought it was astounding that they had a 787. Imagine, they've been building the fucking 737 for how many years? Like 53 years? I'd like to give a shout out to Luca, one of my subscribers there. He flies these planes, the Airbus A319s, A321, probably the Embraer. Air Transat. Not very easy to film when you got the sun like almost behind you. No, not easy to film. And there's a bug on my hand. Bah! Christ. Where am I now? I'm lost now. All discombobulated. Shit. Let's see how well I can track this thing. No, fail. Right on. 777, I guess, 787. Damn at the hell. Last minute, man. Last second, I should say. Looks like Air China. Yep. Oh man, barely got that. 787. Dreamliner. Nice. Ooh, big fucking bird. Big bird. Oh, big. A330, 787 maybe. It's got the new livery. Funny because like right now I feel tired, you know, but I'm at this level crossing right below, I'm gonna walk below from up there is Boulevard Couverture there, so I don't know, I want to go plane spotting, but it's kind of far. I'm kind of tired right now, so Air Transit? No. Let's see, Bombardier plane. Oh no, Boeing 7200, Boeing 737-200. Yeah man, vintage. Oh boy. Kinda hard to film this here. I got the sun like next to me, almost in front of me. Everything's Air Canada.